Hello everybody, I'm gonna play some Fappy Bird. Look. I'll be back whenever it loads up. What the fuck? What the hell? Da 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 da. What the fuck? I'm not even doing anything. What the hell is this? What the heck? What the fuck? The video in the background is a video that I'm watching on my Chromecast from Game Society Pimps, so that there's no confusion. You should go check them out. They're pretty good. They're very funny. They do a lot of games. You should also go check out their other channels. Blame Society and Blame Society 2. If you've already seen them, leave a comment on how you discovered their channel. And also, you might be able to leave a comment on how you discovered my channel. I'm only 1% saying this stuff just to distract myself from the anger. What the ah! Dun 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 dun. Alright, so the trick, as I've learned, is to scream very mean stuff at the bird. I learned this from a certain YouTuber named PewDiePie. You fucking little cunt, I will kill your... It doesn't even work? It worked before. It actually... like triggered adrenaline or something. I didn't even touch it! Damn it, I'm getting distracted by the Game Society Pimps. You've distracted me! I made my first ever bit of fan art today. To a YouTuber called Fluffy... I didn't touch that. Anyways, it was to a YouTuber called Fluffy Talks. Oh shit. 2? It's also pretty funny. Check him out. Are you serious? Actually, I'll show you the fan art right now. It's not really fan art, but yeah. That's a hat. Alright, so I'm gonna continue flapping. I didn't even fucking touch that. No. Are you fucking kidding me? Damn it, Aaron and Emery. I will fucking murder your whole family. You fucking I will end your miserable fucking life. You little piece of shit. I'm shocked right now at how hard this is. Now I see why they fucking took it off the App Store and the Play Store. I'm shocked. I'm doing this video instead of the Rio video, the weekly Rio video, because I did fucking 3 missions on like Monday, just to make up for the past few weeks that I haven't been recording. No! Da, 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 da. What? It's considerably harder on a laptop. Maybe if I were to... The hell? Oh, that's Arcade Patriot. I'll be back in a second. No, I was flapping and I just realized that I forgot to press resume. Resume! No! I will kill you. Part 2 coming in a minute. Ten out of 10 IGN. Memes! Get fucking reeked! And try and go for a quad feed. Oh my god. He's hilarious. No. Hulk Hogan wants to murder your family. Like, comment.